Tadang! Nakaligo na ako guys and nakapag eyebrows. So, yun. Punta ka kami. It's almost 2 and we are ready to leave for... Sana makahanap kami agad ng mga kailangan nila kasi masakit yung tiyan ko. And finally, I'm out with my gel nail. I have a new one. Diba nakita niyo to yesterday? I made this yesterday. So, this is my favorite color, mint. And I'm doing this. Yeah. Diba? Paulit-ulit. It's just that I am so in love with my nails right now, guys. I'm so happy that I have energy to do my nails because if you know me, I really love doing nail arts. Yeah, and I am planning to do more practice on doing gel nails, especially building nails, like, you know, extending the nails. Yeah, I am currently practicing on that because I wanted to make that as my profession too, because, you know, it's so in today. It just makes a lot better. So yun, and I wanted to try acrylic nails too, but I haven't gotten my hands on acrylic nails. When I watch YouTube videos, I find it to be parang it seems like it's very easy to do because it hardens by itself, unlike with gels you need UV light or LED light to harden the gel. So yeah, let's see. But I'm looking online on some brands, on what acrylic powder brands that I wanted to purchase. But for now, I'm so into gel. I also made mother's nails. Diba? Exciting! Yeah. So Baba's getting ready. We are ready. So, oh gosh, Ate's sleeping. We need to wake her up. Ate, wake up. Let's go.
Bye.
Bye, Ate. Bye ba? Wala kami sa SM side. Nandito kami sa SM City. Di ba ba? Yes. Di ba ba? Yeah. Di ba? Okay. Parking. Coming. Look at your... Yay! Ba? Nalugsong ka ba? Kay nakalugsong man. Ay, wrong dito. Di ay na-escalator. What? Ate, nakalugsong ka, ate. Nakalugsong ka, ate.
I love eating.
Nakalugsong ka?
Ay, nakalugsong man.
Ay!
Yeah, po. Wow! Mingati.
Melo. Kaming dalawa ni Ate Asa. Magkapares daw yung outfit ni Ate tsaka yung lalaki. Wag ka ba? Ang shoes. Nandito kami sa fitting room. Inside the fitting room, Baba's going to fit a legging. And nandito si and Ate is going to fit a legging too. And this is our outfit. Diba?
Nag-white mo.
Hi girl.
Ako red green.
Hi girl, ha?
Ako red green.
Hi girl, green. You're the green girl.
Ew.
So na, hurry up. Let's fit. Fit na, girl. So, yan. Okay na yan?
Ow.
We can move forward, Derger. Oh, maragbagay na ni Ate. Ikaw ba? What about yours? Dili low. Dili low. Kira?
Hi.
So this is it. Ni
Go
Ate,
away your butt,
guys.
bruh.
They do good, Ate. Ito yung kala namin, it's a real ano yan? Ito ba? Pocket, but yeah, it's a lie. Hindi pala tayo totoong pocket. Yan yung legging si Baba. Okay na yan. Fits well. Okay. So, Sashi's fitting again and we're waiting. So,